Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Is your Windows PC powerful but you still can't enjoy a full Android experience on it? Today I will show you how to run Android 17 with Play Store and Google Apps directly inside your Windows 11 PC. No dual boot, no risky emulators, no system changes. And the best part, we are using Google's official tool, so everything is safe and stable. So let's get started. First, open your browser and search for Android Studio. Go to the official website and open the first result. Now click on the Download Android Studio button. You will see the latest version, currently Panda 4. Accept the license agreement and start the download. When the Save As screen appears, save it wherever you want. The file size is around 1 GB, so it may take a few minutes. Also, make sure you have at least 8 to 10 GB free space on your C drive. Once downloaded, run the installer and click Yes when prompted. Now just follow the setup. Click Next. Then keep all default components selected. After that, click Next again. Then choose installation location. After that, click Next again. Now click Install. After installation, make sure Start Android Studio is checked. Then click Finish. When Android Studio opens, the Setup wizard will appear. Click Next and select Standard Setup. After that, click Next again. This will automatically configure everything. Click Next again. Accept all license agreements. Then click on Next. Now Android Studio will download all required components like SDK tools and emulator files. This setup takes around 5 to 20 minutes. So just wait and don't close the app. Once it's done, click on Finish. Once everything is ready, you will see the main screen. Click on More Actions. Then select Virtual Device Manager. This is where we create and manage Android devices. Now click on Create Virtual Device. From the left panel, choose Tablet and select Pixel Tablet for a better PC experience. Then click Next. Now look for Android 17 in the list. Note, choose the version with the Google Play icon, otherwise Play Store won't work. If it's not downloaded yet, click Download and wait. Once done, click on Finish. Now give your device a name, anything you like. After that, click Finish. Your Android 17 virtual device is now created and ready. Before launching, let's improve performance. Click the Edit icon next to your device and go to Settings. Now adjust Set RAM to half of your system RAM. Set CPU cores to half of your total cores. Now increase storage to 8, 16 or 64 GB if needed. Now set boot option to quick boot. After that, change orientation to landscape. After that, click Finish to save the changes. Now click the green play button to start the emulator. The first boot takes around 2 to 5 minutes, so just wait. Now you will see a full Android 17 home screen inside a window. Open the Play Store and sign in with your Google account and start installing apps. You will also get apps like Chrome, Gmail, YouTube, Drive and many more. To stop it, just click the X button or power it off inside Android. And next time, it will start in under 30 seconds. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.